What is going on, homies and homettes? It's Elon here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your stream started on Kick. So it's a very simple process, especially if you've done this on other platforms. So what you're going to do is, number one, go over to kick.com, right? Essentially, the page would look like this, and you just hit sign up if you've never had an account already, or I'm just going to log in because I have mine. Now that you have an account and that you're signed in, you're just going to click on your avatar over here and click settings. This will bring you to your creator dashboard. Over here, you have your stream options, you have achievements, you have community, and you have your profile. So right here where it says stream key, very simple, you press over here and there's going to be stream URL. The reason why this is important, because unlike Twitch, when you're back on OBS, you hit settings, and what you're going to do is head over to stream. Now, unlike Twitch where you could just sign in or use the stream key, you're going to click on custom because Kick isn't here yet. I'm sure that with time it will be. So server is actually the stream URL. Then the stream key is right over here. You do not want to show the stream key to anybody, because if you do, they will be able to stream for you. So what you're going to do is click on these little two boxes right here, and it's going to copy that for you, and you're going to paste it into stream key. After that, you just hit apply and you're ready to start streaming. It's a very easy process to get started, and I wish you guys good luck with your streaming journey. Be sure to subscribe for more Kick advice, and if you guys do want to catch the streams, kick.com/mugged. I'll see you guys there.